to commission and hand over projects facilitated by Zimplats. Yepakadoma vakaisa marino kwana 2.5 million. Sumudzaya mavoko vakamboivona 2.5 million. Mongo wakutiriko handiti. Ava Alex akaverenga motsipiri kusvika 2.5 million. Regai ndikuudze kuti 1 million inonyogwa sei. Unotanga kubhara 0, obhara 0, obhara 0, obeka koma. Obhara 0 umwe, ugobhara 0 futi, ugobhara 0, oshibeka koma. Oshiti 1 million. Zvino kana yava 2.5 million. 2.5 unoti obhara 0, obhara 0, obhara 5. Ndizo. Wabonaka ndakanganisa. Unongo uchinyo.
If our people fail to understand that this is the reason why we are in a quagmire as Zimbabwe, they won't be able to hold ZANU-PF accountable. There is no way you begin to write things from the back. You can't. You can't write a sentence using the last word. Why? You are risking that sentence not to have the first words. You are putting everything at risk. So this is the reason why Zimbabwe is struggling right now, because they have started writing everything with the last word. Everything they are doing it starting from the last word. That is the reason why nothing is moving, nothing is developing, because they do things starting with the end. How does that benefit the country? Because it's like a joke, but this is what they're actually doing. Look at the monetary policies which they put in place. Look at the finance policies they put in place. Look at the strategies they are putting in agriculture. They are always talking about war, about takarwa hondo, about kudzokera kuhondo. It's because pamafungiro avo vari kutangira pasiripo. That is the problem we have in Zimbabwe. We have to confront a situation from the front. We have to confront a situation as it is, not to confront a situation from the back. It shows that our leaders are fearful. This is a prophetic confirmation to say our leaders are fearful. They cannot confront a problem from the beginning or from the front. What kind of lesson do you teach your followers when you are saying this? It shows that we are not serious. Then, secondly, how can we celebrate 2.5 million? How do we celebrate a donation of 2.5 million? Yet Zimbabwe is losing over 150 million a month from gold only. How can we do such a thing? According to the official documents, we are losing around 150 million each and every month from gold leakages. Then you expect citizens to continue voting for you. It's a no. We need leadership which is robust, leadership which is transparent, leadership which is accountable, leadership which is ready to make sure that they serve and defend the people. They serve and defend the sovereignty of the people. Without our own currency, without our own wealth circulating in Zimbabwe, we are not sovereign. Now the Chinese have taken over. Let us register to vote and vote these guys out.